others think of you.
Okay, so it's been a while since I've done one of these, but I'm going to be doing another Matchday vlog. This time it's for Newcastle. I haven't done one in a while, so I just thought just to do one. If you want me to do more regularly for home matches and some away matches I'll go to, then let me know and I'll do it. So yeah, today we're playing Newcastle. It's a Monday night, so yeah, it should be quite good. Hopefully, I'm very confident we will win. It's going to be a tough game because Newcastle are have a very solid team. Like, it's not the best, they don't have the best players, but they're very solid. And they brought in their record signing. I can't remember his name. He'll probably score. I believe he'll do very well. He's from Atlanta in America, so I believe he will do well. Don't know if he'll start. I'm not too sure, but they do have a solid team. But I'm still very confident we'll win.
Come in, who's a foul? Come from the bad kick out and whether he should have just how fucking falling for us, is it just? Yeah, beat the first bloke.
Strong goal. Assist.
Well done.
Oh, ah. Oh, my God!
Get on!
That's terrible.
Free kick! He won't. Come on!
Number 15,
Get out of our club! Get out of our club! That's why you're going down! 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 That's why you're going down!
Okay, so I just got back from the match. It's quite late, so I'm going to try and speak a little bit quiet, but it was 1-1, and we scored very, very late. Like 95th minute, I think. So, yeah, I'll take a draw from that, 100%. I don't really think we was bad, and I don't think they was bad either. I think the draw was deserved. No one... We done well in our both halves. Like, we definitely didn't deserve to lose that. And Bodley coming up with a goal again. I think that might be third this season. And I thought no one really played bad. Patricia with some dodgy kicks. I thought that Troy, when he came on, done very well. But yeah, I don't think anyone played really bad. It's just some chances as well. The ball just didn't fall for us. And just some sloppy passing as well. But overall, I'll take a draw from that. The Newcastle could pass the ball like quite well, but sometimes they would just dive and just ruin it all. But I respect Newcastle. I think they've done well. They'll be happy with a draw, I think. Even though they'd wish they got the 3 points, but that's just football. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you're new. And let me know if you want to do this again for the next game, which is Cardiff, I believe. Cardiff home. So yeah, let me know. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, they'll be below. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video.
Nowhere I ain't going.